Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to do a little bit of an experiment here. As you remember, last time we took this little Grom and we lowered it with the little spacers on top of the forks. And what we've noticed is it tends to bottom out a whole lot more. Now, I wasn't here whenever they did this, so I'm going to take a ride on it. Then we're going to take the lowering kit off, put it back to stock height, and I'm going to ride it again and see exactly the difference that it makes. So now we're gonna get this guy off. Okay, so because we put it on so tight last time, these little end caps right here won't come out. So I'm wrapping some duct tape around here and putting it on this securely here to keep that from ruining the piece in case you want to put it back on. And there we go. So that takes it off. It's just a standard DeWalt impact wrench, but it provided enough oomph to be able to get that off. We have to put this on first.
You watched the video already? Oh, so that's all you have to do?
Yeah.
Wait.
So now what you do, we'll put this on, and then we're gonna pick the front of the Grom up, and then screw in at the same time.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
I'm like, why is it bigger?
Because it's so low to the ground right now.
Let me get that oil.
I want you to use it.
I don't. It works without the app.
Really?
Yeah, the only difference with the app and without is you can't focus on other people. But it still operates and does.
You'll take this, just put it on top, and just gently make sure you get it started nice and easy so it doesn't strip the threads out, okay? And you'll probably have to do it up here because you won't be able to touch it.
Alright.
Ready? You feel it going in there?
Yes. Come on. Alright, I think you can.
Okay. There you go. And just tighten them on down. Really?
No.
There you go.
That would not be good.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Here, hold right here. You did good. You did good, kid. So you can see that's a very, very simple process. We just took those 2-inch spacers out of here, dropped this back down, tightened it back up, and it's pretty much done. And if you look down here on the forks, you'll see that there's a lot more suspension travel. It was down to about right here last time. So I'm gonna go take this for a spin and see if it does any better. All right, well, you can hear whenever I took off the curb, it still made that clacking noise like it did when it was lowered, but I gotta tell you, it rides 10 times better. So it doesn't make a difference as far as the up and down travel goes off the curb, as far as the noise in the suspension. However, man, I tell you, I can actually pitch it in the corners now. It doesn't feel like you're leaning over the front of the bike, and actually ride it like it's supposed to. So on that note, I'm going for a ride.